So today's question is, how can we improve our memory? The instruction which I recommend to my patients is, number one, most important thing is sleep-wake cycle. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. That is very important. If you're not getting enough sleep, your memory will gradually decline. Second most important thing is, make sure you are getting good balanced diet. A diet which contains carbohydrates, protein, fat, minerals, and vitamins. Very important thing. Third most important thing what I recommend is exercise. There are two types of exercise. One exercise is your physical activity. What I recommend to my patients is do it at least 20 minutes for 3 to 4 times a week. And how you figure it out? When you feel your heart is racing fast and you are feeling some sweating. Second type of exercise is mental exercise. That is also very, very important. To improve your memory, you need to work on your mental exercise. The common exercise which I recommend is, number one is like a memory game. Most very simple thing is take cards and do some kind of matching games. Memory games are very helpful. Second is you can use puzzle games. Try to solve different puzzles. Sometimes I tell to my patients, take simple diagrams and color them. One important thing about memory is always spend some time with your friends or those people whom you are very close and discuss different ideas, different topics. Engage yourself in some intellectual discussions. These are also very helpful. The other most important factor is stress. If you have a stress sometimes can present like a dementia. We call it pseudo-dementia. So always address if you need some medication. Try to see a psychiatrist who can help you to start the medication which is helpful for you. And if you need to see a therapist, a cognitive behavior therapy, any therapist who can do cognitive behavior therapy is very helpful. So these are the couple of things which I always recommend to my patients, and I have found them very helpful for my patients. So I will strongly recommend to all of you guys to do these activities. Make sure you're sleeping okay, make sure you're eating okay, make sure you are doing all kind of physical activities, physical exercise, and make sure you are doing mental exercise. This will keep your brain active. One important and the most important thing I always say is use it or lose it. That is the same thing we always say for the brain. You will use your brain will remain sharp. And if you will not use your brain, if you will stop using your brain, your memory will gradually decline. Feel free to ask any question. Thanks. Have a good day.